Hello everyone, in this video, how to make a triangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply two way. First of all, step on open your Photoshop. Then I already create a canvas. You create new canvas. Then step on select the shape tool. Step on use Polygon tool. Click here. Sides 3. Smooth corner stars. Avoid this. Fill color. Stroke color. I use example without stroke. Press enter. Then shape. Hold shift. Drag on your mouse. Create a rectangle. And step 2. Press Ctrl T. Rotation. Okay. Then step 2. Create again new layer. Or use this layer as you wish. Example, create a new layer. Then use custom shape tool. And click drop down menu. Not showing to this shape. Simply click settings icon. All append. Then scroll your mouse or see this find rectangle with fill and without fill. Use with fill. Hold shift the right rectangle. Use stroke color and again without fill apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.